Okay, this is section 3.2 continued. We got cut off right in the middle of going over this example where we're creating a linear model. But that's okay because it's a good point. It was a good point to get cut off. We're now going to actually make this model. So we've got to set up in this y equals the rate of change times x plus the baseline. We've got each of those things detailed out. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to write that model in. So our baseline, that number is 55. And that plus the rate of change, which is 8 cents per minute, and that's times our independent value, which is an x, that's the number of minutes that we talk, and then that equals our y. And there we go. Now we have a linear model. And from that linear model, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to answer the rest of the questions. We're going to give the cost of making a 2, a 5, and a 22-minute phone call. So y is equal to 55 plus 8x. And that, unit analysis wise, right, we've got cents here, and then plus, and this is cents per minute. And so our x's are going to be in minutes, right? And so what we're going to see here, unit analysis wise, is the minutes are going to cancel, and that's going to give us cents plus cents, and our y values are going to be in cents. So this is in cents. And that's the unit analysis that you want to see happen. If you got dollars plus cents here, you know that that's not correct because the units here and the units here have to go along, and that certainly does. So we're going to go back and we're going to make a t-table and we're going to plot this. Let's see, I think maybe one more over here. Here we go. All right, so we're going to do a 2-minute phone call, and we're going to do that one as y is equal to, and 55 plus, and then that's 8 times 2. So we've got 55 plus 16, and we have 6 and 5, which is 11, carry the 1, 7. So that one's a 71-cent phone call. And then our next one, we're going to do a 5-minute phone call. And so this one we have that y is equal to, and we have 55 plus 8 times, and this time we have 5. So we have 55 plus 40, and this time we have a 95-cent phone call. So that gives us a 95 cents. And then last but not least, we're going to do a 22-minute phone call. So y is equal to 55 plus, and we have 8 times 22. And so this time we have 55 plus, and we have 2 times 8, which is 16, carry the 1, so 16 plus 1, which is 17. And this time around, we have 6 plus 5, which is 11, carry the 1, 12 plus 1, which is 13, carry the 1, and that's 231 cents, or $2.31. But remember that these units are in cents, and these units are in minutes. And so now what we need to do is we need to plot this one so that we can describe our entire solution set. I'm going to leave that to the next little video, and I'm going to have to rescale my values here so that we can get all of those in. So I will continue in the next lecture.